curry. So these are all the ingredients that need to be blended. These are shallots. Here is about 5 pieces of shallots, and then this here is 2 head of garlic, and these are Galangal. Galangal is blue ginger, and this is the old ginger. And here are 2 lemongrass, and these are 2 large onion. And here is some cilantro leaves, roots. Okay, some of the ingredient here has contain water, so we are not adding water. I'll be adding about half a cup of oil. You can use any oil, your own preference. Preferably is vegetable oil. That means you can use sunflower seed oil, corn oil, like extra virgin oil, or if you are health conscious, then you can use extra virgin oil. It's up to you, but extra virgin oil, the flavor is very strong. So I am using peanut oil. The Thai basil leaf. The darker color one, we will use it to blend. The softer one, then we can later use it for garnishing. These are chilies. A little bit of the red one is from the green chili, it has turned red. Coriander leaf or cilantro leaf. Okay, today I'm cooking chicken. These are kampong chicken. Chicken with green curry. So these are the curry paste. Here's the curry paste. Just now when I was blending, I have already put in about half a cup of peanut oil. So now I'm going to add about 1 tablespoon of salt. Stir fry until it's fragrant. When we smell the aroma of the big onion and garlic, then only you put the chicken later. Okay, when you see the oil coming up first. You see the oil all simmering up already. Then I add fennel seed. Stir fry with the fennel seed. Oh yeah. Alright, you notice the chicken I cut quite big pieces. So this is for family. You prefer to eat big pieces, but if let's say you do not cook with the bone in, these are all bone in. So if you cook with just boneless chicken also can. Alright, you want to cut small piece, cook for one person, then you just portion it. Okay, when you see the oil simmering up, right, then now you can start adding water or coconut milk you want. But if let's say you're using freshly squeezed coconut, the first layer of the santan we preserve it for the ending. Then you can use the second squeeze of the santan to cook this one. Cook until it's softened. Before you bring it up, then only you add the pure santan. Okay. I'm adding a small piece of cinnamon bark. Okay, I'm adding 1 tablespoon of this rendang paste to elevate the flavor. Adding some green beans into the curry. Now it's simmering. Let it simmer to soften the meat. I'm putting some Brinjal to add in. If you are cooking boneless chicken cubes, then this will be cut into cubes, or you can buy the tiny small pieces one.